Good evening, distinguished guests, colleagues, and friends. I'm truly honored to welcome you to the third edition of India Day at the UNGA. This week, as leaders from around the world gather in New York to discuss equitable development, it is clear that our world is changing rapidly. India, in particular, is stepping into its rightful place, shaping the new global order. But this moment is more than just about change. It's about creating a better future together, especially for our youth. The challenges we face are many, but by working together, we can make real progress. Friends, it is my honor to share thoughts on Reliance Foundation at today's event, aptly called Tiger's Tail. In India, we worship Goddess Durga, who, riding on a tiger, is the embodiment of Shakti or strength. Hers is a strength that protects and promotes all that is good in the world. At Reliance Foundation, we're working with determination to channel our strength to create a more inclusive future for the next generations of India. Let me share with you our Panchatantra or 5 strategies. First, unleashing the power of women. As a woman, and now as a mother to a daughter, the empowerment of women is deeply personal to me. It's important more than ever in a country like India, which is home to more than 700 million women. It is vital for women to have the opportunities to thrive, to lead, and to shape the world around them. In the words of my mother, Neeta Ambani, the founder of the Reliance Foundation, what women cannot achieve simply cannot be done. Women have always been the backbone of every society, nurturing families, driving development, and creating a more compassionate world. Let me share the story with you of Sanju. Sanju Nagpure, once hesitant to even hold a mobile phone, now soars through her fields with a drone in her hand. With the help of Reliance Foundation's digital farm programs, which especially works with women, she not only learned modern farming techniques, but also found the confidence to help others via the Government of India's Drone Didi program. From soil to sky, her journey is a testament to resilience and the power of belief. Sanju's story reminds us, when we empower women, we don't just lift up individuals, we lift up entire communities. Second, unlocking the power of youth. We all know the limitless potential and dreams that come with youth. Many of us in this room today were fortunate and privileged to grow with opportunities that nurtured our aspirations. It is critical for every young person to have the chance to dream big and make those dreams a reality. At Reliance Foundation, we invest in our youth through education, skills training, and sports so that they can pursue their passions and create the future that they envision. We have seen firsthand the transformative power of this investment, not just through numbers, but through the stories of young individuals who have risen beyond their circumstances to achieve greatness. Here in New York, a stone's throw away from us is the famous Times Square. I'd like to share the inspiring story of Shivam Chirolia. A brilliant student, Shivam was awarded the Reliance Foundation Postgraduate Scholarship for India's brightest students. He not only graduated his master's in artificial intelligence with flying colors and landed a dream job, but was also featured along his family on a Times Square billboard for his moving story. The Reliance Foundation Scholarships is India's largest scholarship program and aims to give wings to the dreams of over 5,000 students each year. My parents, Neeta and Mukesh Ambani, are deeply committed to ensuring that millions of children across India have access to quality education via various programs that the Reliance Foundation runs. Third, enabling the power of partnership and innovation. One of the most valuable lessons I've learned from our chairman, my father, Mukesh Ambani, is that progress is never made in isolation. Partnerships are the true force multipliers of innovation. At Reliance Foundation, one of our greatest privileges is to be able to collaborate with a number of partners, including NGOs, philanthropic foundations, academic institutions, and governments, to work together to solve some of the greatest challenges of today. I'd like to thank our partners for your continued commitment and for all that you do. Many are here with us today, including United Nations India, Observer Research Foundation, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, USAID, GSMA, British Asian Trust, and Vital Voices. Fourth, the power of digital technologies. We at Reliance are rapidly evolving towards becoming a deep tech-driven company across all our verticals, including Reliance Foundation. Digital technology is no longer just an enabler. We have witnessed how affordable, high-speed data has connected millions, empowering communities and transforming lives. The future is exponential. From education and healthcare to entrepreneurship, digital inclusion has opened doors for individuals in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with deep tech, we are committed to ensuring that advancements benefit everyone, particularly women and underserved communities. Our work is centered on the belief that technology that can democratize opportunity, and we are excited about the future it promises. As part of Reliance Foundation's commitment towards accelerating these efforts, this week we were proud to announce that we are coming on board as a global anchor partner for the Women in Digital Economy Fund, together with USAID and the Gates Foundation. We will support innovative solutions in India to help achieve the 2023 G20 New Delhi Leaders' Declaration of closing the gender digital divide by 2030. Fifth, crafting a bold vision for the future. My grandfather Dhirubhai Ambani believed in dreaming big and thinking bold. It's that belief that guides all of us at Reliance and Reliance Foundation. It is his boldness that drives our vision for the future and pushes us to aim higher in everything that we do. Till date, our work has touched the lives of over 77 million Indians, over 55,000 villages and urban locations. As we approach Reliance Foundation's 15th anniversary, we are committed to scaling our impact exponentially in unprecedented ways. Our motto, Growth is Life, fuels our ambition to make a lasting difference. We are committed to working hand in hand to build a future rooted in peace, progress, and shared prosperity. As India's ancient wisdom teaches us, the world is one family. Together, we can walk this path towards a brighter, more inclusive future. Thank you for patiently allowing me to share our thoughts on the Reliance Foundation. Thank you.